Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first, please. Back here to do another reading for the Pisces people. Happy Pisces season, all of the Pisces. Represent. You heard? But anyhow, it's going to be a 3-card draw. I ain't going to hold you long. Pause. Hey, yo, that's crazy work, right? But listen, the cards are already out here. Don't feel like I dealt you a bad hand or like I bamboozled you or whatever the case may be because I ain't shuffling in front of you. Trust me when I tell you, I took my time. These are the cards that are supposed to be out here. So listen, we got the Chariot card, setting it off with the Chariot card, followed by the 3 of Cups, followed by the Lovers in reverse, the Lovers in reverse. So what I see here is this. What I feel here is this. A lot of feeling involved with this, but not the... It's the type of... First of all, this is a time to rejoice, all right? It is Pisces season. Like, get with the program. Like, all of that other shit that might have been going on. Not saying that I see it because I don't see it. Well, I do kind of see it. I'm lying. I do kind of see it. Well, that part is over with, is what I'm saying. Even if you're tricking yourself, you know how to deceive. You know all about deception. Even if you are deceiving yourself to believe that you're in the happiest moment of your life, do it, because I'm feeling some type of placebo effect going on right now with the Pisces energy to where what you believe you can achieve. And this is definitely the time to do it. But let's get to the grit of it. The grit of it is you do have an understanding about your emotional responses when it comes to other people. And you've been doing this, actually you've been doing a little bit of deceiving yourself not too little while ago. All right. I don't know how far back this has been, but it's been a little while before now. And that is believing that there is something missing in your life, and the thing that is missing is a partner, is a significant other, is a lover. So what you were doing was you were trying to overcompensate in that area by being excessively flirty, by being, and not just flirty. Some of y'all have figured out ways to not be flirty or advancing, making sexual advances, but still being like very domineering, very persuasive even, or just using dialogue that can basically hypnotize the other person. And the other person became aware of it. Let's just keep it a bean. I must keep it a bean with you. The other person became aware of it. They became hip to it. Not saying that they didn't like it for a minute, but this is not their first rodeo. And when you didn't get the response that you wanted, you responded in a way that, I can't say that I was angry or anything like that. You was just disappointed in yourself. You were disappointed in yourself because you come to find out in your retreat moment, like, hey, this thing that I'm looking for is within me. Pause. Hey, yo, that's crazy work. But it is. The only way out is within. So you went and retreated. You went, maybe healing, if you want to call it that. You just had to, pivot. You had to get yourself back together and say, hey, wait a minute. It wasn't a person that I needed. There's something else that was going on in your life that you were ignoring. And that's really what your partner picked up on, or the person that you were interested picked up on. They do have a sense of intuition, but I wouldn't say that they're the most emotional type. They're more of a heady type of individual. All right. And that's what gave them the mindset to withstand your charm, Pisces. So, like I said, in your retreat, you found out that it wasn't them the whole entire time. And you're not, like some of y'all might think y'all got like a biological clock ticking or something like that. Like you got to get out there, put yourself out there. Why are you still single when everyone else is mingling and this, that, and the third? All of that has nothing to do with it. What the root cause of this feeling is a void in the department of other areas of your life. You have to fix something else in your life before you can fix that situation with why you feel certain ways when you're partnering up with other people or getting with people that are interested in you or that you are interested in them in that type of way. All right. And some of y'all got like Vertex. Check where your Vertex is. It has a significance to what I'm saying right now. Check where your Vertex is. It's going to have a real significance to what I'm saying right now. Study that in your chart. It's in your natal chart. and figure out what's going on there. Because you'll find out that once you start addressing those areas, you're going to show up better when it comes to the other people that you're trying to get involved with or that are trying to get involved with you. Because it's like one of those, I seen a woman the other day, she said, you know what? You got no business dating a broke man. And I agreed with her. Now, normally I would say, man, fuck that. I'm playing video games, suck my balls. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I do what the fuck I want to do, right? But I had to change my own tune because I said, you know what? The reason why that makes more sense today for me is because dating costs money. And depending on who you're dating, where you're dating, and when you're dating, it can cost more or it can cost less. And if you call yourself dating someone, you should be sure that you're willing to put in the time to make those types of expenditures. And I don't just mean this in the form of money. Some of us are so involved in what we do, we could be sitting on the money and have the money. We just don't want to do the thing with you because we love what we do so much. We rather spend the time on that. You understand what I'm saying? And I'm picking up that's got a lot to do with you, Pisces. You love what you do. So when the love thing comes into play, you're just like, it's questionable. You don't want to do everything that they want to do and how they want to do it. And some partners just can't stomach that. They can't even fathom that. Like, how do you call this a relationship type of thing? Right? So it's picked up on as if, well, you got some stuff that you need to handle in your life, some other stuff. Maybe it's financial or something, or, maybe you got baby mama drama or something, but it's getting in the way of how I like to roll when I'm trying to get in a relationship with someone. So you go fix that thing, deuces. You know what I mean? And it does have social relevance. It's just, you got to decipher what area in your life that is. Whether it's financial, whether it's family, whether it's whatever. You figure that out because it is something, right? And even if it's something that's preventing you from telling them, like, yo, I could have a good time with $40. Like, what are you talking about? You know what I mean? $40. I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? Like, but if you're not addressing that, if you're not speaking that, if you're not telling them that, how is any progress getting done? Don't waste each other's time is what I'm feeling. You both can do better. But I'm also feeling that the Three of Cups is out here for celebration. Please get out there and do something, and do it with, I wouldn't say with someone that you least expected, but do it with someone that makes you feel good. Pause. But do you understand what I'm saying? Even if it's 30 minutes, 45 minutes, it's a lunch break with an old employee that you used to work with. I don't know why that just popped up in my mind, but do that. If it's your kid, take your kid out. Go out with your kid. You understand what I'm saying? Or just somewhere along those lines. Don't put this whole focus on your lover. You'll see that once you address the other areas in your life that I told you to go look out for, you'll see how you show up better when it comes to the lover. All right, until next time, I'm out.